Namaste and welcome to Vandana's Art. Today we are going to learn orchid flowers, which is the national flower of Singapore. And first I will teach you the drawing and then we will paint it. So we have one stem of orchid flower with us. With the leaves, we have masking tape, watercolor sheet which is cold press 300 GSM. We have these shades of blue and purple with us, water, cloth, pencil, eraser and brushes of various sizes. So to draw, we will start from the bottom. Orchid flower has a peculiar shape. So first step is to draw a leaf. Then we will draw the stem, turning here, little bit curve in between. Then again little turning. And now we are going to make the flower. So orchid flower has a cup, then its leaf is peculiar shape, it's bent and it's sharp at the end. There are thousands of types of orchids, but we are drawing what we have right now. In this flower, we will draw the blue shade one, which is the most common flower. This leaf I want to show little bend. Behind this leaf, another leaf of the plant is coming. So we will show it behind the plant. Then this is the cup and one flower is complete. Now I draw second flower. Please see carefully. Not fully visible. This leaf is bent little bit, so I am showing double line. This is our second flower. Now third flower, I am turning it so that you all can see also. Third one, again show the bottom cup. This is the petal which is there, the bottom. Then a sharp one. And here one leaf in the bent position. This below every flower, actually we are not able to see. There is a piece of green color which comes out. We will show it in the bird. This is a half open bird. And behind this we can see this pointed end. Then this is another bird, and birds are normally green in color. This is another bird, and behind this is the pointed end. So we will start with the stem, and for the stem I'm using the light green color first. Some people call it parrot green color also. Very little color we need. Now in this I am giving the shading with dark green color. One side, and we will merge the two colors. Here also we'll use little bit of dark green color. So here below the leaf below the bird, we have little green color part which is visible, and outside we have shade of green, then light green, and now we will use the yellow. Three colors we are going to use. Here also this bird is half open, so outermost is dark green, then light green, and here we have yellow. Every flower this is there. So this much is done, and now we will start the petals. So I'm using purple color here and filling here. This is the bud which is partly open. This one also is partly open. We are going to make leaves now. To make the leaf, I'll start with dark green color. Merge them nicely. Again, this end we are showing a thin line of dark green, that green. Now once leaves will be dry, then we'll show the middle line of the leaf with brownish or dark green color. The blue orchid, blue white orchid. So this is the blue color which I am bringing down. Then second blue shade of blue. This is one shade lighter. Then third shade of blue. It is almost 2 shades lighter. very small stroke. Now I am taking purple, but if you don't have purple, don't worry, take light blue. And in the center, we are going to use the white. It will mix with purple and light blue. So that is how our one petal is ready. Now this below part, I am using the purple color. If you don't have purple, please use the blue color. This is the blue color and purple color together. I'm using dark blue now. Again, the next petal will follow the same pattern. Just see, petals are not straight. Colors are mixing here, and here is the light blue color. Now for next one also, I'm going to use light blue color, then little bit of white. It's a mixed shade of light blue and white, and same shade I'm giving here. So I have to move my hand very fast. And here is the blue. This is the darkest blue which I have. Then second color of blue, then light blue, mix little purple in it, also here half purple and half blue. Using white color and mixing in it. So we are going to make this flower. First shade is this cobalt blue. Outline with this white color and water and mix it. Next petal, blue color, okay, and then again white color. Here is the petal which is visible from the back. We will make it in very dark blue color, shading of purple. Similarly here we are giving the shading of purple. along with dark blue. Now we will use the white color. So this is ready. So now we are going to make the background. For background, I am using two colors. I have diluted this white, which has become little blue mixed with blue, and this is lemon yellow. So I'm using a big brush and I will wet the paper. This is watercolor sheet. Now I'm going to spread this color here and there. Then I will use water to wet the paper so that lots of water on the paper so that color will spread on its own. Now I'm going to use this color little bit. I will mix and we will wait for these two to dry. Some random stroke. Our painting is ready. I hope you like the tutorial. Kindly share my YouTube channel details and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.